हेलो गाइस, क्या हाल है आपके। आज की वीडियो थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट है क्योंकि हम पुरानी यादें ताज़ा करने लगे हैं। तो आज से ऑलमोस्ट 2011 यानी कि 8-9 साल पहले एक वीडियो बनाई थी। इंग्लिश में है, 2 मिनट की वीडियो थी। तो मैंने कहा क्यों ना शेयर करें हम अपने इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर कि पोटैटो क्वालिटी का कैमरे से आप अगर थोड़ा बहुत स्क्रिप्ट हो खुद ही यानी कि लिखी खुद ही थी तो क्या बंदा कोई अच्छी बना सकता है। वो बिल्कुल यानी कि है, क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी नहीं क्योंकि मेरे पास उसकी ओरिजिनल गुम गई तो यूट्यूब से ही रीडाउनलोड किया है, पता नहीं। तो अभी आप देखें और फिर इन्जॉय करें, और अगर समझ आए तो बताइएगा कि जब छोटे होते थे तो हम क्या चबलियाँ मारते थे। ऑलराइट, सी या।
Ever since I was a child, I have been intrigued by the crowd of people walking in streets. I used to imagine that every one of these people would be thinking something completely different from one another. Some may be worried about their loved ones, some may be daydreaming, or others may be thinking completely surreal things, which are sometimes almost impossible to comprehend even by their own selves. Regardless of race, age, and sex, everyone has a very different perspective of the world around him. As Shakespeare said, all the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. Observing the crowd, I came to realize that in this stage, everyone has got his very own script, and everyone is in the focus of attention in his own story. Even though we are walking with a bunch of people out in the open, it is still kind of a private moment for us, and because of that, we usually display emotions which are not widely shown elsewhere. These sets of emotion are mostly masked, but in a crowd, we feel free and unafraid to show them. All is one and one is all. This phrase seems very strange to me, but after observing the crowd, I realized that even though each and every person has his own individuality, still, as a whole, the crowd seems like a single entity. There is a particular flow to it, and there is so much it's telling us.